This here is a 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 2500. Has the 6.6 Duramax diesel. Only 50,000 miles on it. This truck is a 2006. Has the 6-speed automatic Allison transmission. You can see that there's absolutely no rust on the frame in there, anything like that. Tires are new, have maybe 40 or 50 miles on them. Interior is completely clean. There's no rips or tears of any sort anywhere. See that the dash is not cracked or split or anything. Has the reliable 4-wheel drive shifter on the floor there. Super clean. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up for you now. Very smooth, quiet idling Duramax. Take a look inside the passenger side here. Super clean. I'm gonna hop in now and take the truck for a test drive so I can show you how good this truck drives. After I get buckled up here. Everything on the truck has been serviced, checked out, and gone over. We're gonna head up the hill here so you can listen and hear how good the transmission shifts. It doesn't hang gears or slip or hesitate or anything like that. Runs through all the gears flawlessly, butter smooth, no hang-ups whatsoever. Duramax is very smooth, comfortable driving, plenty of power to pull anything you ever want to put behind it or haul or anything like that. And with only 50,000 miles on this one, it's got a whole lifetime ahead of it yet. Steering on the front end is nice and responsive. There's no play or slap or anything in the steering wheel or nothing like that. The truck drives straight. Steering wheel is centered. It doesn't have a pull or veer off to one way or one side or the other. Feels very good. Handles very well in these corners. brakes. Very good feeling. They're not spongy. Pedal's nice and firm. Up top where it needs to be. You can hear. They don't cause any kind of clunks, rattles, or anything like that. They just work exactly as they're supposed to. Everything on the truck just works great. There's not a single problem front to back anywhere. And the truck really drives like you'd imagine a 2006 with only 50,000 miles on it would drive.